Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall.
There's no way. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Ty here with another video. Now this video, as you can see on the screen, I found the entire bunch of the "there's no way" meme, and I'm gonna sit here and react to it until I fall asleep. It is now, at the time, it's a little after midnight, and if I laugh, I go straight to my bed. Let's get the video started. Smash a like button and subscribe to the channel if you're already new.
Nate, talk about white brotherhood. Thank y'all for coming.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall.
There's no way.
Hope
The girl cooking some chicken. She just cooking some chicken, you know.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall.
Isn't surprising to see. There's no way.
Hope when the water rises, you build a wall.
No way.
So today, y'all see this? A little bit of water versus.
Hope when you take.
I've seen this one. That one is no good. I've saw that one. I wasn't gonna laugh for that anyways.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall.
There's no way.
Hope when the water rises, you build a wall.
No way. Oh my gosh. Have I laughed here? Let me know so I can go to my bed. Oh my gosh.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall.
There's no way.
Hope when the water rises, you build a wall.
Oh my gosh. Let me see what this dude's doing.
Oh shit! What? What? Oh shit! What?
So because it looks like it's
What? What? You
Hope
okay?
when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall.
There's no way.
Hope when the water rises,
That's
you build a wall.
that's funny. So I guess that's funny, but
I won't smack this nigga one time for the hood, B. Say I won't smack him one time.
my dude just slapped a dead man.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall.
What's going on?
There's no way.
Who's fault?
Hope when the water rises, you build a wall.
What? Let's see what goes on here.
Simpson not guilty of the crime of murder in violation of
They draw back for
Section
this.
187A, a felony upon Nicole Brown Simpson, a human being, as charged in count
Hope
1 of
when
the
you take
information.
that jump, you don't feel the fall.
There's no way.
Court of the State of California, County of Los Angeles,
No way.
State of California versus Orenthal James Simpson. We the
That one was not even funny, honestly. My dude's washing his meat, guys. That's just corny. I ain't even watching that. That's just corny. What? black dude reading?
Hoping you take that jump. Don't feel the fall.
I've never seen a black dude read before.
There's no way.
Hoping the water
way.
rises. You built a wall.
No way.
There's really no way. Let's see what this does. I have one baby now. That's crazy. I have a real job.
Hoping you take that jump.
No way.
Don't feel the fall.
There's no way. The's no way.
Hoping the water
way.
rises. You built a wall.
No way.
Not funny.
Hoping you take that jump.
No way.
Don't feel the fall.
No way. There's no way.
There's really no way I'm gonna laugh to that bull crap. What is happening?
Hoping you take that jump. Don't feel the fall.
No way. There's no way.
Hoping the water
way.
rises.
There's no way I'm gonna laugh to that too.
You built a wall.
Hey.
The total, what's that called again? I don't know. What is that? I didn't get that one. They can't believe how I did that. How I did what? Oh my god. Dude.
Hoping you take that jump. Don't feel the fall.
No way. There's no way.
Hoping the water
way.
rises.
No way. There's no way.
There's no way I do this comedy these kids here. That's not funny. Next up. What has happened? What did I miss? He bought the he's eating the bone.
Hoping you take that jump.
No way.
Don't feel the fall.
No way. There's no way.
Hoping the water
way.
If I
rises.
laugh, yo. If I laugh, they can't believe I see us in my burger.
Hoping you take that jump.
No way.
Don't feel the fall.
No way. There's no way.
Hoping the water
way.
There's
rises.
no way I'm gonna watch the rest of that video. That's no way. Exactly. Let's see this one. Yeah, not funny. Not funny.
Hoping you take that jump.
No way.
Don't feel the
Alright, nope. Not funny. Oh my gosh.
Hoping you take that jump.
No way.
Don't feel the fall.
No way. There's no way.
The Jamaican versions to this is more funny. I'm gonna end this off with a Jamaican version. You guys gonna be dying of laughter.
Hoping you take that jump.
I won't even waste my time watching the rest of that one. Let's see what this is. When you see see somebody leave meat and a kitchen wing, throwing it away. Nope.
You built a wall.
No way.
Let's see what's going on here. Do right now, child support check.
Hoping you take that jump.
No way.
Don't
Okay, nope, ain't gonna laugh. Amen, do the dishes.
hoping you take that jump.
No way.
I want to see something funny. We'll try. I don't even know if I'm strolling past the funny ones or not. Honestly, fam. Honestly. Rasta man, what you doing, Rasta? Is this man putting hot sauce on an egg?
Hoping you take that jump.
No way.
Don't feel the
This
fall.
is a Jamaican.
No way. There's no way.
Hoping the water
way.
rises. You built a
No
wall.
way.
I need to hurry up and end this video now. There's really no way. There is really no way. I'm trying to see one, like, a funny one. I ain't seen none. I'm only watching ones with the most views. And I guess I already did. This one has 2 million views. Let's see what goes on here. This one has 37k views. Let's see.
Hoping you take that jump. Don't feel the fall.
There's no way.
Hoping
We're gonna
the
laugh out that
water
way.
rises.
We'll finally laugh. I finally had a laugh. I finally had a laugh. Like, did y'all just? I can go to my bed now. I can go to my bed. Well, first, before I go to my bed, I have to show you guys this one that the yard man from Jamaica did. Tevdan Comedy on YouTube. Check him out, people. Check it out. Check out these people. Check this out. Me trying to be in a relationship for 2020.
Hoping you take that jump. Don't feel the fall.
Exactly. No way. But anyways, guys, thank you for checking out my channel. I can't believe that the actual one that I watched for the last one made me laugh. It's been real. It's been a boy Tyrekejt, and I will see you all in another video. And peace out. Good night. It's now 12:16. Bedtime. Good night.